Earn 2,000 with Chinese app Amazon gift cards. In a world where making money online seems impossible, I discovered a secret Chinese app that changed everything. This app is called Kuaishou and it's available worldwide. Anyone can use it regardless of their skills or experience. I stumbled upon Kuaishou while searching for new ways to make money online at first. I thought it was just another social media platform, but I was wrong. Kuaishou is a short video sharing app with 300 million daily users and it offers various monetization options. Kuaishou allows users to create content around their passions, whether it's gaming, beauty, cooking, or DIY. The app has a strong focus on community engagement and interaction, which makes it easy to build a following and earn rewards. Kuaishou offers various rewards for creating popular content, including cash gift cards and other prizes. The app also has a virtual gifting system where users can receive gifts worth 0.00110 each. These gifts can be converted into cash or used to purchase in-app items. The best part is that Kuaishou has a lot of loopholes that make it easy to earn money. Unlimited virtual gifts. Kuaishou allows users to send and receive unlimited virtual gifts which can be converted into cash. No minimum payout threshold. Users can cash out their earnings at any time regardless of the amount. Multiple accounts allowed. Kuaishou allows users to create multiple accounts, which means they can earn more money by creating content on multiple accounts. Easy content creation. Kuaishou has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to create content even for those who are not tech-savvy. High engagement rates. Kuaishou has a highly engaged community, which means users can get a lot of views and interactions on their content. Low competition. Compared to other social media platforms, Kuaishou has relatively low competition, which makes it easier to stand out and earn money. Daily rewards. Kuaishou offers daily rewards to users who create content and engage with the community, which can be redeemed for cash or other prizes. Referral program. Kuaishou has a referral program that rewards users for inviting friends to join the platform, which can earn them extra money. Live streaming. Kuaishou allows users to live stream their content, which can earn them more money through virtual gifts and other rewards. E-commerce integration. Kuaishou has an e-commerce integration that allows users to sell products directly to their followers, which can earn them extra money.